Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesflare account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Google Calendar from your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Google Calendar from Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong account, so you want to be sure to remove it from your Salesflare. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Google Calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on these two little circles on the bottom left. Once you do that, it's going to open up another menu right here, and you're going to scroll down until you see Calendar Settings. Once you click there, you're going to see your Google Calendar connected right here. And to remove it, click on this blue disconnect button right here. Quick second later, you should see the screen pop up. It goes by pretty quick, saying that your Google Calendar has been disconnected. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Google Calendar from your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.